back to Southside. Today we're just going to have a quick run through of what we've done to this husqvarna 610E sidecar. We've put a new chain and sprocket on it, a new chain roller, customised and fabricated a chain cover, front guard. We've sorted the bearings out in the sidecar, bottom bushes, which as you can see now, they're pretty much beautiful. And yeah, we'll just have a quick walk through and show you what we've done. Right, so we've fabricated a new front chain guard. The last one, all the brackets had snapped on the cast and on the engine, so we fabricated this one up. Not going to be nice and safe. Don't think it's come out too bad. We've fabricated a new chain roller at the bottom, new bearing, because the last ones, the bearings had seized up and just bust. And also we've put a new Renthal and DID chain on it. The last one started to have cracks in the link, so not the best. Nice chain and sprocket on there. Hopefully it lasts for a while. And also the bearings had seized up down in this linkage down here, so it was rocking around and not very nice to ride at all. So I put new bearings in there, and yeah, it's all good now. Works as it should. We've rewired the rear indicator back up because that had snapped off. Weren't very nice, the wiring in there, the way it had gone. The front brake switch, the terminals all corroded on that, so I put new terminals on the wire. So the brake light switches work now. That's another thing. We had to chop this out a little bit because it was hitting all on the top of the suspension arm. Not the best really, but this is nice now, don't hit, no touching there. Back in at some point. He wants a fan switch on the rad, change the fan all over because it's not the best at the moment. It works, but it's on a switch and we want to get the engine temperature sensor so it all kicks in all automatically, so then there's no overheating issues. Last time this was in, because this is a very good customer of ours, a very good friend, so we've been bringing it back to us for about 2 years. Two previous owners that have had it before have brought it to us. The last time it was in, we modified this because the down tube on this bar was coming right down to here and he couldn't get his foot in there. So we've moved it all back so he can get his foot in there, change gear nicely. And it seems to be all right now. The sidecar chassis is getting to a point where we will need to build a new one because it is starting to crack and we are having to weld gussets into it. You probably know me, you know I like my sidecars, and you know they break quite often, but we fix them, we get around it. And yeah, hopefully he enjoys his green laning, gets out there this weekend.
done a run through of the bike. I think he's pretty much gone through everything on it. We're getting it back in for obviously a few bits and bobs. We just do bits as and when the guy wants it, but it's a using bike. Bloke uses it quite a lot for green laning with his wife. Yeah, hope you've enjoyed it.
Make sure you like and subscribe.
We'll speak to you soon. Cheers.